Yeah, you can't miss them anymore now.
Hey, Mark.
Whatever you're doing there for a second, it was working.
You didn't make it very far.
There you go. Nice.
Yay.
I was saying, whatever you were doing there for a second, it was working, so.
I just spent 20 minutes.
Come out and decompress a little bit instead of being rock snappers there so much. Right. And like you are doing so good here, try to get him involved in something like this because nobody goes out and dies over this. Right.
Stop whiling them.
Taxes and theft.
I know they suck when you made like 40K and the other job you only made 7. Can you make
Yeah,
7?
today is Annihilation Day. Yeah.
What, exempt?
They hung up on a boy skid.
They get to go back to Okay, I had to save it one time. Yeah, I put the camera down. I'm not gonna risk. I'm not gonna risk breaking the selfie stick repair. Remember last time it broke? I just super glued it. Man, I haven't been to dog park in a minute.
When I thought about it, we come all the time.
I have a set, and when I first brought them out, like everybody's like, no, it's all about ruptures. And so I got a brand new set that's been ran like 3 times.
Are they?
It used to be the #1 crawling tire.
Are they legal?
I'm doing trap orders on a 2-2 class.
You gotta cut it short.
Yeah.
They don't make it. You only went to like 1 or 2 of them, huh?
Yeah, that truck's popular on the channel, dude. The Unimog. You don't see a whole lot of cut Unimogs, you know?
There were there for a while.
Not on videos, though. Oh, there you go.
Oh!
No, 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 no. There you go. Nice.
I want to catch it earlier, but
No fair, Johnny.
I know.
He's like, oh,
no fair. No fair, man. He brought the super cheater out. Nice.
That's what was more like a flow. That was beautiful. It's not just about getting up there, it's about what's great too.
All the way.
Speed it out, slow down.
There it is.
Little Joey made it.
Joey. And I did it on camera. It took like 17. Johnny, 36 seconds.
You're gonna try it? You're waving that way.
Yeah, I'm gonna go this way. I'm not staying that way. Just snap another axle. No. I have snapped 2 in a row. We don't need this.
See? You can see that?
Oh, just went through some cobwebs.